Hello guys, I am Bhavna and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a study tracker of your own. So for that we need one ruled paper, some sketch pens, a marker, a writing board and some usual stationery supplies. So now let's go. First, I'm dividing my paper into 5 sections. First for the dates, three for my subjects, and the last one for the total, so that every day I can count my total, that how much hours I spend on studying. So I'm just subdividing the sections for more hours. I usually make my trackers for 12 hours and some extra for revision tracking, but it's your choice. You can make as much as you can, as less as you can, totally depends on you. So now I'm just drawing some lines, and if you can see, I just erased one because I don't know, I'm not good at drawing lines. I just don't, it just mess up every time. So now I'm just counting some sections. So as we are done, I'm writing my lectures. I have one lecture for 2 hours, so I'm just making 6 lectures headings. And now I'm gonna use a sketch pen to highlight the now I'm just writing the dates. I think it's a month of 31 days. If you can see, I have used a hashtag on the above of my page. It's make August the best. I'm taking this challenge. Now I'm just erasing the rough lines I've drawn above. So now as you can see, we're gonna now name our subjects. I have physics, chemistry, maths. You can write your own subjects. And now here we go. The most failed attempt on calligraphy. I know it doesn't look good. I'm not good at it. So I tried to rectify this situation by using a black pen, and it did make it look somewhat better. So yeah, and I'm just making some key points that this is how I'm gonna use the key tracker. This is me removing the washi tape, double-sided tape. I'm just gonna stick it to my wall. And here we go. This is how it looks. I hope you like it. So please subscribe, like, comment on this video and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Study Aesthetic Streams, and on Pinterest it's called Enhanced Berries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.